Good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning. Welcome. Guys, I have one question that I would like to ask, and I would like for you to give me an answer. For my birthday, I'm thinking of going live for the first time on this channel. What do you all think? Do you think I should go live on my birthday so we can chit and chat and have a nice birthday party? In the comment section, let me know if you think I should go live for my birthday. Let me know. Watch this video, because this video is just me explaining and talking a few things. You will love this video. Have a beautiful day. Watch the video. I'm out. Bye-bye.
What well, me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you feel any pain at all, remember what to do. Check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor if you come at your home if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring you to the doctor. And guys, me can't say it. Me will not stop saying it. Wellness check. Do wellness check for your family, your friends, and even your enemy. Because mental health is not a joke. It's not something you play with. It is on the rise. So do some wellness check for your friends and your family. And guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Capricorners. Happy birthday to you. And remember, yesterday was Tobago birthday. So, you don't know, at the month of January, I still our birthday today. So, big her up when you see her on the YouTube straight. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I was over talk up the things last night. Big up, hey, talk up the things. Mama, hear what me I say. Big up yourself. You don't know, Rodney's love you like how God love little children. Me respect you, me rate you, me love your conversation. And to your panel yesterday, last night, big up on yourself on the YouTube straight. Guys, I want to say something to Uno, you see? And this is just me talking the real facts. I say, Mackie, because me never really want to talk nothing about Mackie again. This may be the last time I go use the word Mackie in my mouth. May be the last time. Me never say the last time, maybe. Because Mackie I get from bad to worse now. Mackie say, Alicia Kim nearly burn him up with soup. Mackie, to be honest with you, come down. Come down, man. Come down now, man. Come down, man. What you mean by the lady nearly burn you up with soup? You mean, say, Alicia Kim boil a hot cup of soup and just come near you and just automatically throw it on you? Why you so lie? Why are you telling so much lies on this young lady? Why? Because one thing me know, you can't get her back. You will never get her back. Now, Mackie, you go to Jamaica on vacation with a little bad mind self. You go to Jamaica on vacation because you see the lady, whole entirely family, come a foreign. So you go to Jamaica. You go over Elsha. And when you go over Elsha, me think you're going to go over Elsha, go have a beautiful and wonderful time. But you go over Elsha and you start about Alicia Kim again. Mackie. Let me say something to you, Mackie. It's full time now you leave the lady alone. It's full time now. You leave the lady alone. Make she live now, man. Make she live free, man. You are trying to disgrace the lady. You are trying to bring down the lady. You are trying to do everything to make people stop, go around the lady. And then you are planning to look another relationship? Are you really planning to look another relationship when you are trying to beat, not really try, but you are beat down this lady? People, something in my eye. Why are you doing this? You think there's a payday? Well, there's a payday coming because the good Lord have a payday for you. You talk everything that's bad about the lady. Everything. From stealing her money to everything that's bad. You go to Jamaica to enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Instead, you are make video talking about Alicia Kim. Hey, let me tell you something. I stack up the thing, say. All she seen at your face is you want her back. No, you not. You will never get her back. You will never get her back. So, guys, move on. Move on, man. What you shouldn't do, you shouldn't make some videos enjoying your life. Many relationship overs. But you believe that you should be beating her down. All you need to do, you need to use the memories that you have in your head towards being with that beautiful, that nice young lady. And think about what it could have been if you was a better husband to her. That's all you need to do. Think about what it could have been if you was a better husband to her. You drag our family, you drag our brother, you drag the most important person in our life, our mother. And then you turn over to our daughter. Innocent, baby. Innocent. Why? Stop, man. Stop. Leave her alone, brother. It's a wake-up call. It's a wake-up call, this. Leave her alone. Make she live. Make she live. Up till now, you cannot tell us what she have done to you. All you telling us is what you have bought for her and what you have done to her. Lies, lies upon lies. Lies upon lies. Mackie, remember this. We as men all make mistakes. We all do stupid things. Own up to your stupidity. Mark, you divorce her. It's one of the strangest things I ever seen in my life, knowing that you divorce her. And then blame her for your downfall. She didn't do you nothing. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let's move on to Mr. Chucker Boy. The Brokeback one, yeah? Rumram, let me talk to you. Let me have a conversation with you. Let me have a dialogue with you. And this is a wake-up call to you. Now, Rumram, you wipe the internet, yeah? You take off everything off of the internet when it come on to your social media. The only person who do that is a person who hiding something or a person who just don't like social media. But you just don't like social media. You love it because you have a YouTube channel, but your Facebook, your Instagram is missing. They're gone. Why did you do that? You take it off because what? You don't want nobody to know about your life. Me will never take off my social medias off because I have nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. Nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing to hide. I have nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. Relationship, I won't hide no relationship that I was in. You know why? When I was in them, it was good. The relationship may turn bad, but that's how relationship and life goes. So I won't hide anything. I won't hide nobody's name that I have ever put on social media. Because I'll go tell you something. If you see me put you on social media, I put you on there. Normally, I don't put my personal life on social media. Because guess what? I know what it can bring. You get me? So Rumram, the big thing is, me put your address out there. I didn't put your address. I asked you if you still live there. I could have put the whole thing out there. But I wouldn't do that. I have all your wife phone numbers and your phone numbers, both old and used. I have all email addresses. Listen to what I'm saying to you, Rumram. Listen to what I'm saying to you. You didn't know that while beating down Alicia Kim, about talking about me, telling lies on me about me impregnate my cousin, you didn't know that I was going to find your information. You didn't know. That's why you was doing that. You did not know that I was going to find out about you. Let me tell you something. Make me tell you something, Jamaican way. It not hard for me find out anything about anybody. Just so you know that. And when I say anybody, I mean anybody. You have to have, what you call it? If you have a certain kind of, what you would call it, clearance, I may not able to get your information. But you're a simple human being just like me. So when I said to you, ease yourself. You see how I ask you a question and you see how you start to go missing? You see, do you feel how it feel? Months and weeks and years and days, you have Alicia Kim, mother, sister, everybody in your name, in your mouth. I chew them up like bubble gum and I spit them out. They are ladies. They're women. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Do you know that I have information about Keish, Jackie, Rosa? Yeah, I could put them out there. But guess what? I tell myself, and I tell from a very long time, I don't like to disrespect woman. I don't like it. Because personally, I don't think it's right. And I go say this to you. I make some videos towards Chrissy. And the reason for that is because Chrissy cover up for a monster. And if you cover up for a monster, you are just like the monster. Let me say that again. If you cover up for a monster, you are just like the monster. So if I'm going to beat the monster, I go beat you too. So help me God. So when you come out and making videos about Alicia Kim family, beating Alicia Kim for no reason at all, well, as a matter of fact, not a matter of for no reason at all, for your own reason. Because guys, my viewers and subscribers, let me explain something to you. The life that Alicia Kim used to live with Mackie is the same life Rumram been living for years in the marriage that he's in. He have no say. He have no talk. And when I say no say, I mean no say, no talk. And guys, the reason why I cannot explain a lot of things is because I will not go that deep into his wife, because I don't really want to do it. But Rumram, you come out here acting like you're a powerhouse. But why you are not telling the people? Why you're not telling the people? Well, you did tell them that your wife will put you in the doghouse. You did tell them, because your wife is the one who wear the pants in the relationship. Your wife is the one who wear the pants in the relationship. You come out big, bad, and bold, acting like you are the boss. You are not the boss. You are just, as you say, you will go into the doghouse. So, when I put a little video out there, and you claim that your wife is scared because I put your address out there. I didn't put your address out. I didn't put no number. I could have read out the whole thing. I could have. I could have read out the whole phone numbers. I could have put out all the email address. You have even email address with the name Rumram as a part of the email address. Rumram, it's not every time you get up and try to bully people. Stop bully the lady. Stop bully the lady family. You see how you're quiet? Do you see how you're quiet? Continue. Continue. My life is a open book. I can't even give you my address. I can't even give you my address where I live. I can't give you that without no water in my mouth. Because guess what? I have nothing to be afraid of. Me no hide from people. I have never hide from people. Think before you get up and talk. You beat down people. You disrespect people. You rude to people. You do a lot to people. Yeah, you do a lot to people, not knowing these things is out there. Not knowing these things is going to come back and haunt you. Now you're worried. Now you're talking about your wife and I put your address out there. You're lucky. Me never put it out there. I can't even tell you how much she pay for the house and how much the house value right now. Rumram, let me tell you something. Think. You know this song will say, look before you walk. Look before you cross the street. Remember that your life is an open book too. It's not many people. Information is hidden. Me I go tell you something again. Where they play them? I can't remember where the place name. Me I try to remember something. I can't remember the name. But I want to tell you something, but I can't remember the place. You remember one place? So, I can't remember the place, my people. But there is a couple places that you were telling Alicia Kim she could go and live. Yeah, you were telling her a couple places that she can go and live. One of the places that you tell her that she can go and live because there were some nice houses there is one of that city. You get a very big ticket, a major ticket. Rumram, let me tell you something, see. Leave the lady alone. The lady not doing nothing. If you're going to be a voice of the voiceless, you talk about it. All you know to do is a spin the role, a spin and a recycle stupid information. Now, I'm going to say this to you. I don't really want to come and hear talking about or say anything about your wife. I don't really want to. However, I would see it fit if you continue to beat this lady. I would see it fit. And to be honest with you, you know that if your wife is feeling uncomfortable, your whole life is going to be uncomfortable. You know that. Hold on a little bit. Let me say it again. If your wife feel uncomfortable, your life is going to be uncomfortable. The doghouse won't hear before you. Remember that. You know that. So, you know that. That if your wife ever really feel uncomfortable in that house, your life is in deep SHIT. You know that. No make me have to tell them. No make me have to tell them. You see, you come out here going like you're a big bad bully. No. When you at that house, you is non-existent. No make me have to tell them. No make me Rumram, no make me have to talk, you know, man. Because all you, my viewers and subscribers, hold on a little bit. You know see, I don't see Rumram go on there. Like, him a head washer and Billy Pumpkin and him a soft as. When him die in yard, is, yes, honey. Yeah. Keep quiet. And let me move on to Lady Keish and Jackie. And Rosa. Ladies, I'm going to say something to you three, you see. You know, me feel say me no know nothing about you, you know. Yeah, you know me feel say me no know anything about you. Me no really, me start to change my videos them, yeah? Because me no really want to come out here and talk anything about you all. Women is going through a lot. Women is going through a lot. As you three ladies see that you three lady put Alicia Kim through a lot while she was pregnant. She could have, they talk about it and talk up the thing panel last night. She could have hemorrhage. She could have lose the baby. She could have lose her life. You all know that. You all know that. You didn't have no moral, no respect for her pregnancy. She says it was rough. She make it look good. You all know that it was rough for her. With no respect, you did not care. None of you care about her. You guys just flash it out there without any love, respect for her. YouTube is a big platform. You all ladies can be something else on the platform. Instead, you all beat her, carry her down, say all kind of things about her, day in, day up. For what reason? For what reason? You guys could be an ambassador for women. You guys could have taken on Rumram and Mackie for your fellow lady, your fellow Jamaicans. Instead, no. All because the same thing that happened to Alicia Kim happened to you three. Alicia Kim come out the victor out of the whole thing. And that is your guys' problem. That is your problem, Quiche, I mean. That is your problem, Jackie. That is your problem, Rosa. Stand up and be somebody different. Stand up and be somebody more important than to be taken down, trying to take down somebody who is winning. She is winning. You guys are losing. She is getting endorsement. You all over there is complaining, talking about she's lying. You all talking about how she's lying. I could give you something to use to find out how much money she's getting paid a month. Oh yeah, I have those things. You guys ain't getting no money close to what she's getting. Try to see if you can build your platform where you can be getting $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month out of YouTube, so that you all can live good, live nice, live easy, so that you all can help your family members. We all are out here trying to help ourselves to grow, to get big. Social media is a space where you can make money. Try to do that. Think about that for once. Think about that for once. Guys, I'm going to leave you at this present time. Guys, I'll be coming out with a couple videos that I really want to talk to you guys about. Motivating women. Helping women to take their life back. So guys, those videos coming up. And I really want you all to join in. Let us talk about the problems and what women is going through. What women is going through when they come to the United States of America and in a relationship that is not good. That the husband or the wife is using their immigration status over them, taking advantage of them. Let us have this conversation, and I will be letting you guys know what I'm about to do and how I'm going to start to setting it up. Again, I am Rodney's from Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Have a nice day. I'm out. Bye-bye.